channel. Embark on a captivating journey through the mesmerizing world of orchids, where elegance meets botanical wonder. Join us as we delve into the rich history, diverse varieties, and cultivation secrets of these enchanting flowers that have captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts worldwide. Orchids, with their delicate blooms and intricate designs, have a history steeped in myth and fascination. Explore the origins of orchids and their significance in cultures around the world, from ancient civilizations to modern-day horticulture. Orchids have a storied history dating back thousands of years, revered by ancient civilizations like the Greeks, Romans, and Aztecs for their beauty and symbolism. The discovery of orchids in remote regions by explorers like Darwin and Wallace fueled a craze for these exotic flowers in Victorian England, known as Orchid.Delirium. Today, orchids continue to captivate with their allure, symbolizing love, beauty, and refinement in diverse cultures and societies. Step into a world of botanical diversity as we explore the myriad shapes, colors, and sizes of orchids. From the elegant Phalaenopsis to the exotic Cattleya, discover the enchanting varieties that make orchids a favorite among plant collectors. Orchids boast an astonishing array of over 25,000 species and tens of thousands of hybrids, showcasing a kaleidoscope of colors, patterns, and fragrances. Popular orchid genera include Phalaenopsis, Cattleya, Dendrobium, Oncidium, and Vanda, each with its unique characteristics and cultivation requirements. Orchid enthusiasts are drawn to the challenge of cultivating rare and exotic varieties, from miniature jewel orchids to towering stanhopeias, adding to the allure of orchid collecting. Unlock the secrets to successful orchid cultivation as we delve into the art and science of growing these exquisite flowers. From light and temperature to watering and fertilizing, learn the essential care tips for thriving orchids. Orchids thrive in a variety of environments, from tropical rainforests to temperate climates, requiring specific light, humidity, and temperature conditions for optimal growth. Proper watering is crucial for orchid health, with most varieties preferring a balance of moisture without waterlogged roots, often achieved through a well-draining potting medium. Fertilizing orchids with a balanced orchid fertilizer at regular intervals helps provide essential nutrients for healthy growth and vibrant blooms, tailored to the specific needs of each orchid variety. Experience the magic of orchid blooms as we delve into the intricacies of orchid flowering. From bud development to bloom cycles, unravel the mysteries behind orchid blooms and their breathtaking displays of color and fragrance. Orchid blooms vary in size, shape, and duration, with some varieties producing flowers that last mere hours, while others bloom for several months, delighting orchid enthusiasts with their ephemeral beauty. Orchids employ various strategies for pollination, from attracting specific pollinators with enticing scents and colors to mimicking insect shapes to ensure successful reproduction. Understanding the natural blooming cycles of orchids and providing optimal growing conditions can encourage repeat blooming in orchid plants, rewarding growers with continuous displays of exquisite flowers. Explore the profound influence of orchids in art, literature, and culture, where these graceful flowers have inspired creativity and captivated imaginations for centuries. Orchids have been celebrated in art and literature for their elegance and exotic allure, appearing in paintings, poetry, and mythology as symbols of beauty, love, and refinement. In Asian cultures like Japan and China, orchids hold special significance, revered for their delicate beauty and spiritual symbolism, often featured in traditional art forms like ink paintings and poetry. Orchid shows and exhibitions around the world showcase the beauty and diversity of orchids, attracting enthusiasts and artists alike to admire and celebrate these captivating flowers. Delve into the importance of orchid conservation efforts aimed at protecting endangered species and preserving orchid habitats for future generations to enjoy. Orchids face threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and illegal trade, leading to the decline of many species in the wild and highlighting the need for conservation initiatives. Botanical gardens, orchid sanctuaries, and conservation organizations play a vital role in preserving orchid diversity through ex situ conservation efforts, including seed banking, tissue culture, and reintroduction programs. Public awareness and education programs raise awareness about the importance of orchid conservation and inspire action to protect these precious flowers and their natural habitats. Uncover the symbolic meanings attributed to orchids in various cultures and traditions, where these elegant flowers convey messages of love, beauty, and grace. Orchids symbolize love, luxury, and elegance in Western cultures, often associated with refined beauty and sophistication in floral arrangements and gifts. In Asian cultures, orchids symbolize purity, fertility, and abundance, revered for their delicate blooms and spiritual significance in ceremonies and celebrations. Orchids hold special meanings in different contexts, from expressing admiration and appreciation to conveying messages of strength, resilience, and renewal in the language of flowers. Stay updated on the latest trends and innovations shaping the world of orchids, from new hybrid varieties to innovative growing techniques and digital platforms connecting orchid enthusiasts worldwide. Orchid hybridization continues to push the boundaries of floral diversity, with breeders developing new colors, patterns, and forms to captivate orchid enthusiasts and collectors. Innovative growing techniques like hydroponics, aeroponics, and vertical gardening offer alternative methods for cultivating orchids in limited spaces, catering to urban growers and apartment dwellers. Digital platforms and online communities provide a virtual space for orchid enthusiasts to share knowledge, exchange tips, and showcase their prized blooms, fostering a global community united by a passion for orchids. Separate fact from fiction as we debunk common myths and legends surrounding orchids, unraveling the truth behind these captivating flowers. Myth: orchids are parasitic plants that feed off other plants. Fact: while some orchids are epiphytic and grow on other plants for support, they are not parasitic and obtain nutrients from the air, rain, and organic matter. Myth: orchids are difficult to grow and require special care. Fact: while some orchids have specific growing requirements, many varieties are relatively easy to care for with proper light, water, and temperature conditions. Myth: orchids are short-lived flowers that bloom only once. Fact: while some orchid species have short bloom cycles, many varieties bloom multiple times a year and can live for decades with proper care. Discover how orchids continue to inspire and captivate in modern culture, from fashion and design to wellness and lifestyle trends. Orchids are a popular motif in fashion and design, appearing on clothing, accessories, and home decor items for their timeless elegance and intricate beauty. Orchid-inspired wellness products like aromatherapy oils, skincare treatments, and herbal teas harness the soothing properties of orchids for relaxation and self-care rituals. Orchid-themed events and exhibitions celebrate the beauty and diversity of orchids, attracting enthusiasts and admirers to indulge in the allure of these enchanting flowers. Join us as we celebrate the allure and elegance of orchids, exploring their rich history, cultural significance, and botanical marvels. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on plants, nature, and the wonders of the botanical world. Let's cultivate a deeper appreciation for the beauty and diversity of orchids together.